Honor has been quite an aggressive player in the mid-range market, especially quite recently. However, they haven't had a presence in the sub 10k segment, at least until now. The Honor 7A and 7C brings quite a full feature set to the sub 10k category. This is Sandeep from RevAtlas. Let's examine them briefly to see how they are similar and different. The primary differentiating factor between these two devices is the size itself. The 7C is the bigger variant of the two since it packs a larger 5.99-inch display compared to the 5.7-inch display on the 7A. In terms of resolution, they both pack 1440 by 720 pixels and an aspect ratio of 18:9. The design language on both reminds us quite a bit of the Honor phones such as the 7X and the 8 Pro. The 7A has a plastic body but is finished quite like metal, especially since the sides have a glossy mirror finish, while the 7C has a true metal body. This also creates a difference in terms of the weight itself, considering that the 7A is quite a bit lighter than the 7C. They share the same 3000 mAh battery underneath as well as run Android Oreo with EMUI 8.1 on top of it. They also feature the same triple card slot that consists of 2 nano SIM slots and a dedicated microSD card slot that can take cards up to 256 gigs in capacity. They both also have fingerprint scanners at the back and will support Face Unlock soon with an OTA update. The 7A is available in a single 3+32 gig variant, while the 7C will be available in both 3+32 as well as a 4+64 GB variant. They both feature dual camera setups at the back, which consists of a 13 megapixel primary camera and a secondary 2 megapixel depth sensing camera. The front camera on both the devices are 8 megapixel units. The Honor 7A is the cheapest dual camera smartphone in India currently, and Honor seems to have nailed the pricing at Rs 8,999. The 7C costs just 1000 rupees more for the 3GB variant, while the 4GB variant will cost you Rs 11,999. The 7A will be available for purchase starting from May 29th on Flipkart, while the 7C will be available from Amazon from May 31st. We'll cover the devices in detail soon. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next one.